Hello everyone. Today I would like to present to you the Klarus E1 Deep Carry Pocket Flashlight. Now please note that this flashlight is not advertised as a tactical flashlight, but it does have a tactical mode. Let's begin the unboxing. Manual and product sheet. Alright, here's the E1 itself. A nice soft pouch, and rolled up inside are the accessories. You have the micro USB charger cable, lanyard, and O-ring. Alright, here's the E1 itself. That's the status indicator. That's very important for switching modes. And this one, the E1 has a beautiful lens. Orange peel on the side, and in the center is clear. So it's a combination of flood and throw. It has a very nice hot center. Beautiful. Alright, let's see what else. Here's the toggle, and here's the primary tail switch, on-off function. There's a raised lip right here to make it easier for you to thread the lanyard through. Unfortunately, because this is a raised lip, you won't be able to tail stand properly, if at all. Nope. So that's the only way to stand on its head. Remove the paper. Here is the Klarus 2600 mAh customized battery with the negative and positive contact at the top, and a plastic spacer to keep them separate and prevent any issues. That's the micro USB port. You can charge this using the micro USB cable, and I think you might be able to charge this using a standalone charger as well. Spring contact inside, and spring contact in the tail cap. The default mode is the outdoor mode. That's your general purpose mode. So with that, if you hold the toggle switch down, you should go right into low. Right, keep it down, and it'll the light will be on. From on, you can hit the toggle switch again to switch modes. And that's off. Primary switch is off, on. The outdoor modes offer you the memory mode, right? So let's say if I had it on medium, I can turn it off and turn it back on, and it'll be at medium at the next switch. To get to the tactical mode, you have to turn that off. Look for the status indicator, which is right there, right above the Klarus brand. Right. Hold it down until the indicator blinks red. And then once it starts blinking red, hit the main switch. And now you're in tactical mode. With tactical mode, you can enter strobe using the tail switch, the toggle, sorry. Okay. Now to switch it back, you're going to have to turn it off again. Look for the indicator, hold down, wait for it to blink. There we go. Let's see, hold it down. That's low mode. And use the tail switch, turn it on, then hold the toggle. It should go into SOS, I believe. Yep, there it is. The main selling point with this flashlight is very compact and it's deep carry. Here's the deep carry clip. If you have a cap, just slide it on. And if this was your pants lining, pocket lining, right? You can see it's almost completely flush with the lining. Very nice. And do you remember how I told you that this is not advertised as a tactical flashlight? That's because of this lip right here. If you were to pull out your pocket, you would have to find this toggle switch right here and then press. You could press it from here, but it's not fun. So my favorite way to use this is with the index finger. Very well designed, I think. Really nice knurling right here for grip. Knurling on the tail cap makes it easier to remove. I love that tear lens. Combination tear lens, I should say. Clip is very nice. For $50, I think it's a definite buy. The only thing that I wish Klarus would have done is to offer a higher capacity battery. Now, if you look at the battery, the model number is 18E26UR. The higher capacity version, the 3600 mAh, is 18E36UR. Both versions are available for $20, I believe. You can buy at Klarus store or some other online stores. Okay, it's time for some beam shots. I'm going to compare the Klarus E1 with the Olight S2R Baton 2. There you go. Let's begin. Alright, this is the low mode. The camera isn't picking up the bricks, but with my eyes I can see the bricks just fine. That's medium. And that's high. High is 1000 lumens. The trees in front of me are about 44 meters away. Pretty bright. Now for the Olight. That's high. The Olight has a wider hot spot, more even beam. And then Olight on Turbo. A little brighter. Turbo for the Olight is 1100 lumens. The Olight is $70 and the Klarus is $50. Both are available on Amazon. And you can also buy them from Klarus store or olightstore.com. Both great lights. Thank you for watching. Good night.